Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn2480. I'm here with a nail stamping tutorial. Bundle Monster has changed its name to Maniology. And I think around maybe December or January, I'm not sure exactly, but anyway, I saw something on Instagram because I followed them on Instagram where they were offering this kit for free, but all you had to do was pay for shipping. So I received this kit from them. It's the Wild Heart Stamping Starter Kit, and I've already taken everything out of it. But in this kit you receive 2 plates and 2 polishes, a nail stamper and a nail scraper. So this is the first plate that I received. And like I said, Maniology used to be Bundle Monster and they changed their name. If you want to check them out, you can check them out. I think I'll leave the link below for their website. But that's Maniology M-14 I received. And this is Maniology M-15. And it came in the Wild Heart Stamping Starter Kit. And they also sent these 2 polishes, stamping polishes. This is the stamper that came in the kit as well. It's a clear stamper. And this is the scraper. And this is the polish I use. It's a purple polish. You should be able to find this at julep.com. Or I think Ulta sells some julep polishes as well. But I already did my right hand off camera. And I hope you all can see. I hope the light is not washing it out. The thumb I kind of smudged a little bit. I touched it. But anyway, I'm going to show you what plate I used. I used Maniology plate M-15. And I use this image right here. For all my nails in the middle finger, I used something different. I used this right there. I used that image right there. And this is what I use for my other nails. So I'm going to use this stamping polish. I really like it. And I'm just going to do some stamping real quick on my left hand. I may not do all my nails on camera. I'll do this one so you can see, and maybe this one. And then I'll do the thumb and the pinky off camera. Because sometimes trying to show you on camera is not as easy as you all think. It's difficult trying to get the camera angled just right so you can see it. So maybe zoom out a little bit so y'all can see better. But I'm going to go ahead, and I'm the type I like to kind of put my polish all over the plate. To each his own. Some people don't like to do that. They say it wastes the nail stamping polishes. But I don't mind. I do need to purchase some more. I have some Moon Day Onyx polish, but I need the stamping polishes. And I really like them, but I need to get some more because I am running low. I may do another one on camera. And I just use a lint roller, a mini lint roller I purchased from Dollar Tree to clean that off. I haven't put any acetones or anything on this stamper. This is all I've been using. And then I use my cotton claw, which you can purchase these at Sally's. I have 2 of them, but a cotton claw with a cotton ball on the end of it to clean up my plate. And I do use acetone to clean up my plate. I have it in this pump bottle. I found this at Dollar Tree. Now this one I have down a little more, like I said. With stamping, you have your ups and downs. I kind of did want it down lower, but it's okay. But you all get the idea. And I had already did that one too off camera, so. But you all get the idea. I'm going to go ahead and do this one on camera too. That one I did perfect. Ooh, that turned out great for you all. So that's what it's looking like. I love it. But I'll go ahead and do the thumb on camera too, so you all can see. Okay everyone, I'm back. I put some oil around my fingers and I put on my top coat. This is the top coat I'm using right now. Sally Hansen Insta Dry Anti-Chip Top Coat. You should be able to find this at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Target, places like that, Rite Aid. I've had mine for a while. I think they still do sell this stuff. But this is the final results of my nails. I'm so happy to be back nail stamping, because while I was on hiatus, I have not done nail stamping. This is the first time I've done nail stamping in probably a year or so. I just was being lazy. I do like it. I just was being lazy. I love everything about nails. So y'all let me know what you think and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you want me to keep doing nail stamping videos or just nail videos or toenail videos, just thumbs up this video and I will keep them coming. As long as y'all keep watching, I will keep them coming. So I thank you all for watching, and y'all check out Maniology. I will leave the link below for this website. They have a lot of starter kits for people who wants to get into nail stamping, and it's a lot of videos on YouTube if you don't know how to do nail stamping. But I thank you all for watching. Take care and have a magnificent day. Subscribe and turn on your notification button so you'll know when I upload videos. I'm trying to do better and start uploading videos on Mondays and Fridays, so turn on that notification bell. You'll be the first one to know when I upload my videos. So take care. Have a wonderful day.